So, you want to learn the stock market? Maybe you've seen it somewhere. Maybe your old friend just talked about it. But either way, you're here. Let's see. What is the stock market? Easy. It's where you buy stocks. Stocks are a share of a company that is public. Public meaning it's listed on the stock market. Did you get that? Let me repeat. Stocks are like a small piece of a pie, and the big pie is the company. Not all companies share their stocks, only companies that are publicly listed, like in PSE or the Philippine Stock Exchange. There's different more around the world. Anyway, there's two ways to be involved in it. Invest it or trade it. There are those who invest in it, and that's okay. But for the small guys who can't wait 50 years and have a big capital, like how we all started in ZFT, we just trade it. Investing is basically buying a share of the company you like, then holding on to it. It's like marriage. You get to know the company intimately before you commit to it. Trading, on the other hand, well, you can say it's more fast-paced. Once it's no longer working out, you gotta get out. To be honest, sometimes we could be trading a particular stock, and they're all just names. We don't know what that company does. All we know is we like the way the price is moving. You know what they say, don't fall in love with a stock. The problem with investing is after waiting for so long, you could have picked wrong. Or that one single year can wipe out 5 years of growth in your portfolio. This doesn't bother the big boys. I mean, they can cash out somewhere else. But for us, we gotta be smarter than that. We need to learn how to dance in this market the way we are designed to do so. You could be trading like a fund manager if you don't have that much funds, no? We move different. So you gotta be tactical. Understand what you are. ZFT is a tribe of traders who uses the ZFT system. Boy, we got the best ones. We got champions and leaders. If you want results, this is where you go. That's why you belong here. But we got no time for people who love to pull each other apart. If you're into that, we ain't the right fit. If you're a complete newbie and you want to learn trading for free, like opening an account, reading price charts, and all the important and basic stuff, there's Trading for Rookies Facebook group. Head over there. But if you're familiar with the ways of the market, here's programs we got for you. Anyway, we're sure you got questions, so slide over our DMs and let's figure out how you can get started to this wonderland of money and how you can join the tribe.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.
Yon, what's up? Good afternoon, guys. It's again your boy Yurilicious for FGD, 2trade and ZFT FGD charting session. All right. Ang kalbo ako dito sa background ko. Wala akong green screen. Bibili na lang siguro ako next time. Wait lang. Okay naman ata. Sige. Gulo kasi yung likod ko, guys. So, ayan. Shout out muna. Shout out. We have Dean. Ayan. Good afternoon. Good afternoon kay Dean. Pa-music muna onti tayo para maganda yung background natin. Alright. And John Mon, good afternoon. Si Lawrence Villa. Boss M. Ano ko? Nakalimutan ko. May lakad dapat ka ni Boss M kahapon. PM kita, boss. PM kita mamaya. Si Kent, good afternoon. Check. Magandang hapon. Sabi ni Sir Oliver, Austria. Obscura. Dito din. Good afternoon. Etse. Si Ramses. Liovin. Dito din si Joshua. And then we have si Nohay. Si Nohay yung the roar guy in Trading Republic. Tama ba? Tama ba ako, guys? Si Nohay ba yun? TJ, andito din. Good afternoon. We have John Adrian. Check. Christopher Samson. Good afternoon. Si Boss Ness, andito din. Si Coach Ness is here too. Good afternoon, sir. Mark Nathaniel. We have Marvin. And we have Kyle. Ayan, si Kyle. Andito din. Lawrence. Shout out. Ramses. Cyrex. Good afternoon. Si Jolan. Boss Jolan. Good afternoon. We have Carls. Paul. Si Boss Amads. Lawrence. And then, sino pa dito? Nonek. Ayan. Ang dami natin, guys. Zam. We have JT. Felix. Paul. Tama pala. Umulan pala, sabi ni Boss Eman. Team 920. Val, good afternoon. Marlon. Zero. And we have Lawrence. Ano ko na pala si Lawrence. Oh, may humabol pa. Christian and Santino. Check, double down mamaya. Okay, after this, guys, double down session. Huwag kayong mag-asialisan. Mark Limuel Badayas, good afternoon from Cebu. Shout out. All right, so let's start our charting session for today. So, guys, just a quick recap now. We did not do any charting session last time. We did, but it's not a charting session. It was more like a educational session. I've shared a setup. Bago ako dito sa mukha ko, guys, para akong walang buhok, walang kalbo. Okay, so I shared a what do you call this? A trading setup that's very powerful that I personally used last Monday. So you may check it out. So ayun. Also, congratulations for all the people who registered on our technical intensive program class that started last week. Ayan, congratulations. Tap on your back, guys. Good job, good job. See you on inside, no? Malulupit yung mga coaches natin. So I hope you're having fun, and I hope your afternoon is good. I hope your Monday is good. So we'll go ahead and try to see what's going on with the market and try to explain stuff. And let's see if kung anong gumagalaw, no? And I'll be sharing my screen now. Let's go. All right. Ayan. So kita na ba, guys? So ayan. So sabi ni Jeffrey Sanchez, open po ba kayo sa partnership? Relationship o yung hawak, hanap ng tech namin? Baka boss, may makahanap ka din ng relationship. But for partnership, yes, you can PM 2trade Asia or ZFT if you have anything you wanna tell us, and any partnership you want to offer, go ahead and just PM us. So let's go. So what's happening with the market right now? So after, by the way, can you hear the background music well? Okay naman, hindi naman siya nagdi-distract, guys. Can I see a feedback dito sa ano? Okay, naka-cancel. Walang marinig or anything. Okay, ulit. Para hindi tayo maboard, guys. Ayan, how about that? Are we good? So that's, if you're hearing, wala. Di ata, bawal ata, guys. Naka-share system audio na ako. Everyone can see and hear you. Ito yung sabi ni ano eh. Okay, wala. Ako lang ata nakakarinig. Bakit kaya? It's very, very weird. You're in the show. Everyone can see and hear you. Ito sabi ni Streamlabs. Anyways, since walang music, magsa-start na lang tayo sa session. Ayusin namin to next time, guys, para sa inyo. Okay la. So the market is, we've mentioned before, the market is recovering. Let's go ahead and take a look at what happens sa monthly chart platform, no, since time frame, sorry. So nag-breakout na siya sa highs ng last month na candle, and we had a run up, and right now it's trying to pull back, of course, because it's been going up for almost like a month or two, right? From here, starting from the recovery here, and then nag-break out, and then it consolidated, and then right now the market is looking for a potential support. So like I've mentioned, I was hoping that the market will feel this one, or maybe it can still go lower as 6-2 siguro before siya mag-recover totally, di ba? But as you can see, guys, the all-time high is here, multi-year dito ng PSE 74. The all-time high is 9,000 pala, sorry. So let's see what's gonna happen with the market right now. So far, so good naman. Napapansin ko yung mga stocks dito, left and right. They're acting very well naman, and strong stocks are still trending and moving. All right. So I think nothing much to be concerned about here. No confirmation yet with the market if we're gonna have a strong market or not, but I'm having a positive outlook for the next year's market, 2023, 2024. Um, so let's just make the most out of it sa the next 4 months sa market. No? All right. So let's go ahead and discuss some stocks that we are looking at. Let's see. First stock on the list is ABA. Ayan. Ito yung mga favorite na mga taong nagte-trade, no? ABA is basically a multi-year breakout. Dito siya nag-breakout. Okay? Tingnan natin yung long-term chart niya kasi alam ko kulang to dito. Okay, sige. Goods. So right now, it's breakout. Kahapon nag-breakout with a good volume, right? And then ngayon, there is a continuation. So congratulations sa mga nakabili. I know a lot of people already bought inside this consolidation. I think this one, right? Ako personally, I bought at around 2:30. Dito na, medyo late na ako, guys. Dito na ako banda, nakapulot. All right, so I'll be expecting a retest somewhere here before siya mag-continue. But if it's gonna go up tomorrow, then why not, diba? Better. Or I'll be looking out for a potential consolidation at the highs. I think that would be a good scenario. So, yun. Favorite ng mga may hawak, sabi ni Paul. Siyempre, maghahawak ka ba pag hindi mo favorite? Di ba? All right. So, ABBA is actually the number one watch for now, right? Because the reason why it was supposed to be balay, di ba? Pero take a look at what's going on, right? So, ang nangyari is we had a sell down volume here. So, congratulations pala sa mga sumabay sa 2trade Asia charting platform. We're able to trade this guy. We started spotting this here, right? Dito banda. Yan. Ay, hindi. Dito pa pala. Dito banda, and then we tried to strengthen the position here, right? And rode this movement over here and then sold at this level over here. Kita nyo to? Ayan. So, Merry Christmas. Ayan. Sa mga nakasakay kay balay na napuruhan, guys. So, congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations sa inyo. So, ako naman ay personally, paano ko siya trinade? I've just simply bought here, trailed it here, and then afterwards, I sold here at 96. So, hindi ko siya nabenta sa tuktok, guys. Nagbalik pa ako ng potential gains ng mga around 9 to 10%, I believe. So, okay lang, di ba? That's still fine for me as long as I was able to hold this level over here and then sold here. Now, always remember, guys, if you're gonna do a swing trade, okay? If you're gonna do a swing trade, the usual ang ginagawa is just two bases, di ba? Breakout, consolidation, run up, and then sell. Okay? So, this is a very perfect example of a swing trade, right? So, three bases, one base one, okay, base two, and then sell at base three. So, very, very, very perfect. So, at dito galing, nag-consolidate, broke out, buy point, high, which is this one, diba? That's consolidated, and then boom, right? So that's these are sell zones for a swing trade. So 1, 2, 3, 3 is the sell zone, right? So other people just like me uses a trail stop, kunyari moving averages and then the hit, so you can sell it already. So this is not a trend follow. This is basically a trail stop with a swing trade objective. So kasi hindi mo alam, minsan may continuation pa. So maybe you can still milk the other consolidation. I mean, milk the next move. But that's the usual um, move of a swing trader. So if you're a swing trader, dapat ang first base pullback, dapat ma-hold mo siya. This one. Dapat ma-hold mo siya. Other people who do momentum trade from here, okay, from the breakout here. All right, from the breakout here, some people sold here. This is basically a momentum trade. Okay, nagbenta sila dito because why? Loss of momentum. Of course, look at the loss. It was never beaten down before. It was never touch. It did not close below it, and then this is the first time that it closed below it. So if you were bought here, somewhere here, that's still a good 19% or a 16% trade in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, right? So, but for us swing traders and potential trend followers, of course, we need to stomach the pullback over here. Ito yung hindi masyadong nagigets ng mga tao na pullbacks and consolidations are pretty much normal in a when the stock is creating a trend. Okay? So, yung objective ko dito is a swing and then might turn a potential trend follow. Okay? Ganun yung mga iniisip ko na trade, especially all-time high and IPOs. So, in this case, unfortunately, so ito, pullback na siya ng mga around 10%. Okay? So, 10%. That's basically a regular pullback. Okay? Paano mo malalaman if the pullback is healthy or not? So, ayan. Ayan na naman yung mga tips and tricks. Tips and tricks. So, a normal pullback, okay, usually negative 5 to 10%. That's very normal pullback. Okay? Strong stocks, guys, nasa 5%, 2 to 3% tight consolidations that are very, ano yan, tinatawag na momentum consolidations yan, no? Sobrang liit lang yung ginagawa. But normal is 5 to 20%. So, corrections, usually, that will take you around 10 to 20%. Okay? Ito yung mga basing na ginagawa ng mga stock. Nagkakaroon ng big bases. Alright? And crash, that would be 20 to 50%. Alright, syempre hindi ka naman naabot ng 50%, no? So that is basically how we personally, I look at what do you call this? Pullbacks, normal pullbacks compared to a crash, right? So if you're gonna take a look at this one over here, from here to here, that's around 10%. So that's pretty much normal, guys. All right. Let's go ahead and look at ABA. So this one is a what? How many percent? 5%. Kaya pala, Brad, kaya pala binabantayan siya. Kasi this is a momentum consolidation. Kasi look at the retracements. It's only 5%. Kaya siya, top of the lists. Ayan. So next, SSI. This is a basing. Alright, from here to here. Ay, normal lang pala. Akala ko umabot ng 15%. So ito, normal siya na consolidation. Alright, that's a normal consolidation. 10%. Wala problema dyan, Brad. Other stocks, ASLAG, let me take a look at this one. From here to here, this is normal. So other people might think na, say for example, ito problema sa mga tao na they're looking at this gains over here. Say for example, bili ka dito. So nag-up na siyang 8% tapos boom, kinain ng 1% or break even ka na. So napapabenta ka or na-choke mo yung trade, then afterwards it goes up 16%. So that is basically the rules that you need to put in mind when to hold and when to potentially sell. Okay? Are you after for the basing? Okay? Are you after for the basing or are you after the corrections and basing, or normal pullbacks lang yung hinahanap mo for you to hold it, right? Usually ang nakaka-hold ng mga corrections are trend followers, okay, such as SCC. Okay, so eto I think medyo malaki to from here to here. Ayan, 10% more. So this is a basing or a correction, no? So around 12% yung correction niya. And then long, medyo mahaba yung consolidation. So this is pretty much a basing type of move. This one, I'm not sure from this high. All right, so pullbacks pala, normal siya around 9%. Pero okay, mamaya natin pag-usapan. Na-whips ako dito. But anyways, let's talk about this later. So those are type of consolidations that you should be looking at. Let's go ahead and take a look at other stocks. Other example, this is, how about this? From this high, okay, to this high, that's around 10%. So this is a normal pullback, guys. Ayun, no? This is a normal pullback. So if you're gonna do wicks or body, ikaw na bahala. Preferably do body and wicks. So a basing is this one. This is a basing or a correction. Take a look at that. Diba? That's around 13% drop. Okay? That's how you identify a base correction or just a normal pullback. All right? Momentum consolidations, around 5% or less. This one is a momentum consolidation. This is also a momentum consolidation. All right. So I hope may nakuha kayo doon, guys. Those are the what do you call this? Guidelines in how to identify a good pullback, normal pullback versus correction or basing or crash. The crash is, of course, let's take a look at Converge. Kasi I haven't, so this is a crash, right? So from here to here, 25% or more, right? So this is basically a crash already. So that's parang end of the world. End of the world. Etong ginawa ni Balay, guys, this is a potential, what? Ilang percent to from this one? 15%. So that's a correction, di ba? Heavy correction. And then right now, since bumaba pa siya, so that can mean that potentially crash siya. So meaning matagal-tagal pa siya bago maka-recover. Alright? So, pa-type naman dyan, guys. Juicy. Juicy kung kung may nakuha kayong tips and tricks sa hapong ito. Alright. So, juicy. So, hopefully, you're getting value dito sa ginagawa nating live session, no? And hope this will help you make decisions moving forward, when to hold, when to sell. Doon. Bawas juicy. Juicy, bawas juicy. Alright. Good job. Sige, let's go back to our discussion about ABA. So we're just looking for a potential, a normal pullback or a momentum consolidation. Basing whatever this stock do, as long as we're just looking for pullbacks and relax lang tayo. We'll have plenty of time to trade this. Always remember that if stock is trending, it will always give you a what do you call this? A entry, a good entry for sure, 100%. All right. So anong tawag dito? Make sure, no, bantayan natin to. All right. So ilan ba tayo na nanonood for today? Alam ko for the past 2 months, 100 plus lagi tayo. Never tayo nag-go down below 100 plus, 124. Shout out sa inyo, guys. Shout out sa inyo. If a stock is trending, sabi ni Boss Ish, it will always give you a good entry. Pwede ba nating highlight yan? Tech, ayan, always remember that say, ayan, very good, very good. If a stock is trending, it will always give you an entry. So if you miss the breakout today, and if it gives you a normal pullback, okay, hindi ka nakasakay and then lumipad na, di ba? Tapos magkaroon ulit ng pullback, hindi ka nag-breakout, tapos hindi ka ulit nakasakay, mag-TI ka na, Brad. Next year na ulit yon. Next year na ulit yun. Kung hindi mo pa ito nasakyan, mag-TI ka na. Medyo may problema na yung ginagawa mo sa buhay. Alright. So that's with ABA. Thank you very much. Let's go with SCC kasi gigigil ako dito, guys. Nanggigigil ako dito. Alright, so for SCC now, you all know that I've been holding this for quite some time with a very huge volume. I started buying here, strengthening my position over here, and then na-whip ako dito. Kita niyo tong wick, guys? Gigigil talaga ako dito. Nakakagigil. So, supposed to be, eto, nag-ano ako dito, nag-unload ako ng shares here, and then majority of the core shares, unload ko dito sa, itong week na to, guys. So, and then, and, di ba, pagka yung around mga 1 na siya, bumabalik na siya, guys. Bumabalik. So, I just stopped my back. Sabi ko, it's okay. It's okay. I just followed my plan. So, while crying, it's okay. I followed my plan. Okay lang na whip. Ganon. Ganon, guys. Ganon dapat. Execute pa rin kahit umiiyak. Kahit umiiyak, execute pa rin. So, mamaya na yung ano. Ay, naku po. Tapos nagdota ko after, guys. Pagtingin ko, eto na. Bumabalik na siya. So, may mga bulong-bulong kanina, guys. May mga little voices na nagsasabi sa akin kanina, i-buyback mo na to. Baka na-whip ka lang. Kanina, guys. Ito, nung mag-break siya dito. Okay? And then nag-try to remount the 10 MA and 20 MA. So, may little voices na, buybackin mo. Buti na lang, hindi pa. I've been patient enough to hold my buy triggers. So, ayan. Pero still, of course, SEC is still a watch list since malapit-lapit na siya sa all-time high. Maybe it will give us around a month or two consolidation before it will continue. So this is still a watch list. No insignificant sell-off volume, I think. Kasi cross-trade nangyayari dito. Okay? Cross-trade to. So wag kayong medyo kabahan dyan. So chill lang tayo dyan. Ito, cross-trade to, guys. Okay, sa volume. So okay lang siya. So we're having a normal consolidation, a normal pullback. So okay lang. Okay? Okay lang. Babawian natin yan pag tumaas ulit yan. Okay? So, um, regarding this, since on the monthly chart, we can now plot our 3MB setup. Di ba? All you need to do is make sure that you have notification here if babalik siya dyan. Di ba? And a break and ma-hold siya dyan. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin, guys. And then afterwards, hanapan natin ng potential trade idea on the daily chart. Alright? So, ganun tayo. For now, chillax tayo, hands off. Wala munang, hindi muna to, priority for now. Kasi, the ABA is the priority. Okay, no hype. This is not a recommendation. If you've been following us doing charting every Monday, you know that we've been charting ABA again and again and again and again. Okay, this has been our watch lists. Okay, and if ever babagsak yan, magkakat kami. Okay, we're not sa mga new people here who's been kaka-start pa lang nila manood sa live session natin. Disclaimer na we are traders. We're not real investors. I personally am not an investor. So my strategy and methodology when I do my trade is basing upon short-term movements. So when I say short-term and intermediate term, when I say that, it means that I can go in and out within days, weeks, or a month or two. Depende kung mag-trade trend siya hindi. So kung babagsak yan, we have cut loss area and we know how to do position sizing. So we'll talk more about that maybe in the next few sessions. But today, this is going to be our topic for today. Okay, the normal pullbacks. And of course, since I've mentioned earlier about cross trade, so ano ba yung cross trade? Okay? Ang cross trade, guys, is basically a transaction from one broker to another. The same broker. So let's say, for example, broker B. Okay, let's just call that broker B. Si BB, okay, may 10M shares at 1.5 at gusto niyang ibenta. Meron din isa, same broker na with a different client na gustong bilhin ang 10M shares at the same price, 150. So, anong nangyayari? Exchange lang sila. So, mapupunta yung shares dito sa another client within the same broker. So, exchange from one to another. Now, does it matter? Does it matter kung may cross trade or not? Depends. Okay, it depends. One of the things that I've noticed in the last few years that I've been trading the PSA market, ginagawa siyang papansin. Okay? Bakit ginagawa siyang papansin? Because it shows a big volume on the chart. Something like this. Okay? So if a normal trader will look at this, look, laki namang volume nito. They would really be interested on it without knowing if that is a cross trade or not. Right? So para siyang a anomaly inside in your chart na ginagawa siyang maganda yung volume niya. Say for example, EMI. Let's take a look at this one. Okay? This one is a cross trade. Okay? Majority of the shares here, I think, cross trade. Okay? Now, when are you gonna When are you gonna look at cross trade if positive ba siya or hindi? The key for that is, of course, price action and structure. Okay? Kunyari, eto, may cross trade to, tas nag-breakout, syempre, bibiling ko yan. Not because of the cross trade, but because of the breakout plus the cross trade. So I don't normally treat the cross trade as a individual signal because again, I'm a price action trader, so I look at the structure first if there's a breakout and if there is a good structure beforehand before siya nag-breakout. Okay? So the cross trade is basically a dagdag na lang siya na na what do you call this? Na analysis, but it's not going to be the number one um, indicator for me or a sign for me to trade a stock. All right? So take note of that. So paano mo distinguish ang cross trade sa volume anomaly? Okay. Sa volume anomaly, guys, since nag-ask si trend trader, sa volume anomaly, nagkakaroon tayo ng legitimate transaction in the board. All right? So, since we're on the discussion of volume and analysis, let's take a look at, let's open our what do you call this? Let's open our 2trade Asia trading platform. All right. Mag-share screen muna ako and I'll change this one. Let's me share another screen. Log in ko muna, guys. Baka makita niyo na naman yung makita niyo na naman yung ano ko. Okay, this is it. Okay, huwag niyong tingnan yung buying guys. Ito muna tayo mag-focus. Okay, say for example, we have ABA. So dito mo makita, all you need to do is just click on stock and then go to time and sales, and then you can type whatever stock that you'd like to see. Say for example, in this case, ABA. Okay, so ABA. And then, all you need to do is hanapin mo yung if may cross trade or not. May mga cross trade ba nangyayari? I think it would be better if we could see, may mga stock ba nag-cross trade today? I think wala. So ABA wala naman, I think. Si EMI ba meron? Wala. But anyways, you can see here na, say for example, this is a legitimate transaction. 251, 6,000 from call to BDO. Okay, call to BDO. Ang mangyayari sa cross trade, guys, it's either call to call or BDO to BDO or Mandarin to Mandarin or fill stock to fill stock. Okay? So doon mo makikita na okay, these are legitimate trades. Ayan, Celsa versus First Metro, Fidelity versus BDO. That is a volume na legit. Okay? So you can still identify if that is a volume anomaly or if it's a cross trade. All right. So I hope that that helps. Okay, I hope that helps. And we'll go ahead and continue the discussion. All right. So, going back, EMI, one of the watch lists that we have. So, may question ako. Meron kay ABA cross trade today, boss, at 241. Oh, talaga? Ay, hindi ko napansin yan. Tignan nga ulit natin, guys. Para makita natin. Wait lang ha. Okay, 241. Sabi ni John Ray, 241. Anong time yan? Anong time stop yan? What time is it? 24 time. Sige, hinapin ko dito while waiting for the answer. 241. 9:51. Ay, maaga pala. Kaninang umaga. Okay. 9:51. Sige. Hanapin ko yan. 9:51. 241. Wait lang, guys, ha. Hanapin muna natin before I share my screen. Naku po. Wait lang, naglag yung ano ko. Ayun, PNB. Okay. So this is a good example. Very, very, good thing that you mentioned this one, John. I'll share my screen now. So here, this is a cross trade. You see this, guys? Take a look at this very closely. 241 20 M worth 48 million si PNB to PNB. Nakikita nyo ba or kailangan ko bang i-zoom ko na lang onte. Alright, so PNB to PNB, we have this one. And another one, Regina, worth 85 million, okay, to another broker. Okay. So that is a cross trade. All right. So useful lang siya, or it gives you additional analysis na lang siguro or confirmation that the stock is, because the brokers are trying to make the stock look nice. Okay. But it's never gonna be a trigger for us to buy or sell. And sabi nila, dito sa 2trade, meron din daw na cross. So dito, meron din pala. Ayan guys, may cross trade tayong nakikita dyan. Unlike sa other stock na, meron din pala dito. So, sa other stocks, cross trades, meron din. So, time to time, meron din pala. Okay. So, nagiging significant lang siya pag mas malaki yung shares na krinos. Alright, or na exchange. Alright. So, going back. So, EMI definitely on the watch list. May magandang may magandang funda, no? Emperador. Since bear months na, guys, mahilig na uminom ng mga tao. So, drink moderately, guys. Drink moderately. So, this stock might go up. De joke lang, guys. Wala ko alam sa fundamental. So, okay, maniwala doon. But, technical-wise, this stock is very, very good. This is a 3MB setup. Broke out from this range over here and is now approaching, is it all-time high, if I'm not mistaken? All right, all-time high. So, this is a watch. May tanong ako kay Tek. Alam ko meron siya nito eh. Ang question ko, na-hold niya ba to? Okay? Na-hold niya ba to? Yan. Okay? Nabenta! Ay, nabenta daw siya. Ang bagal. Ibang funda pala yung funda. Okay, for this one, guys. Okay? For this one, ayan, this is a pretty much normal pullback. So, binenta daw niya. I think break-even siguro siya. Alam ko namila siya dito eh. Before pa siya nag-breakout eh. Hindi niya hinold. Hindi niya alam yung rules ng normal pullback tsaka guys. Up siya dyan. Up naman pala siya. Okay. So, this stock is still good. This is trending. A bit slow lang because medyo heavy siya, but definitely still on our lists. Ano pa bang any other interesting stocks that we are looking at? Balay. Going back kay Balay, we're gonna look for consolidation first. So, i-correct niya muna to. I-fix niya muna tong run-up niya from here to here, 50%, by doing a long consolidation or a deep correction. So, it's either here. Diyan. But for now, hindi siya watch lists. Okay? Relax muna tayo dyan. Other stocks that you're looking at, I think ASEX would be good. Ay! Okay, ASEX. Si ASEX, guys, looking at it, we have a breakout over here with a very tight consolidation. Tingnan niyo yung consolidation na to, guys. Gaano ka tight? 9%. So, normal yan, beshi. Okay? Normal yan, besh. Ito, from here to here, this is a type of base. Ayan, 16%. Okay? Base yan. Malalim. Consolidate. And it took like about a month. Okay? And this one, a normal consolidation. And then now a breakout. So this one, a very interesting stock. I really like it. Although hindi siya, at least for me, hindi siya yung pwede mong bombahan, no? But definitely this is a must watch because may upside pa to, around 20% to the next resistance. All right. So that's where we're looking at ASEX. This is a very good stock. We'll go Wilcon. Wilcon 2, I think, is a very good stock to watch. Pa all-time high na din to in case it breaks out. But definitely, tingnan nyo yung consolidation ng Wilcon. Gaano ka-tight? Ayan, 10% pa rin. Okay, so we might see consolidation and a continuation afterwards. ASEN, let's go ahead. Ay, yuck! Yuck! ASEN, nakakadiri. Okay? So looking at it, guys, after this huge move over here, we have a breakdown. Namatay siya, and then tingnan mo yung sell-off volume here. It's not that good. So we never trade stocks like this. DNL, let's go ahead and DNL. Take a look at DNL. So, by the way, guys, when I say yuck or when I say a negative thing about the stock that you want to see or nagko-comment tayo ng something negative, that's not about bashing the company itself, na pangit yung company, yung fundamentals na. No, don't get me wrong. When I say I don't like it or say yuck or whatever, okay? Ang sinasabi ko lang is I don't like the price action. I don't like where the price is going. And that's the reason why I say yuck. I don't like it. Okay? But whatever fundamentals, if maganda yung fundamentals, the company, whatever, hindi siya part doon sa description na yun. Okay? So I just want to be clear. Baka may ma-butthurt dyan or whatever, mag-comment about the stock that you're holding. I just don't like the price action. That's it. Yun lang. Not a priority. Exactly. It's not even in the priority lists. Okay? Charts lang yung ayaw ko. Let's go ahead and take a look at DNL. DNL is nice. Okay? Tingnan natin, monthly chart. Boom! Okay? Nagkakaroon tayo ng recovery kay DNL. Yeah, so far so good. Not a priority on my list, but so far so good. DNL is nice. I like this. Maybe you want to buy inside the consolidation here. Cut loss would be somewhere here. So wait for a potential breakout. Yeah. Another stock that I'm looking at, this is my first time trading. Again, for how many years? A blue chip. SEC is a blue chip doon pala. So, Jollibee, bida ang sarap. Bida ang sarap, guys, ni Jollibee. So, I spotted this Jollibee at this level. Noong nag-RSI 70 siya. And then we have a pocket pivot over here, a volume signature. So I started looking at it and sabi ko, lahat ng MAs niya below, and then it started a good, tignan nyo, we have a tight, tignan nyo, ay! O, diba? That's a tight. Very tight. So that's a momentum consolidation. Right? So we have a momentum consolidation. So pasok siya sa mga nagpapakilig sa akin. Alright? Aside kay baby girl. Okay? Aside kay baby girl, nagpapakilig din to mga ganitong type of consolidation, guys. So we have a breakout happen here, and then dito ako namili, and I was hoping to get some more shares below pa, pero wala na, nag-run up na siya. So I'm up around 3-point-something% with this stock. So I'm looking at an upside of around 12 to 15 maybe, kung kaya niya. But this is a 3M setup. So goods. Okay? And then all-time high dito. So I'm not saying na hindi siya abot ng all-time high because Pasko na, maraming kakain ng Chicken Joy, guys. No? So tignan natin kung ano yung magiging lakas ni Jollibee. M-wide. Take a look at M-wide. Ay! M-wide. Ayos to Now my question is this a legit volume though? Tignan natin. M-wide. Okay. So, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout kay M-wide and then pullback. So, if the stock can sustain its pullback, then yes, but I don't believe this is going to be a trending stock. This is still reversing. If I'll be trading this, ang iisipin ko would be I'd still sell the strength. So, I'm not sure about this. But structure-wise, okay naman siya. Run up, base. So, we have a good base over here. Look at, ayan o, 20%, di ba? So, next question is, what type of consolidation is he gonna do here? So, ayun lang naman. For me, I'd say I'd pass on it. But tradable siya. Hindi ko lang siya priority, guys. Okay. So, may mga funda-funda pala to. So, MCA, IA, whatever. Nagbenta daw. Alright, let's go, Meg. Yak sana. Ito. Okay. Mega World. 2.46. I'd say yak. Okay? So, hindi pa siya maganda, guys. All MAs, wala pa. Nasa taas pa. I'd say more consolidation for this stock. Not a priority lists. Let's go. Aslag. Ay! So, dito, guys, this is a nice potential cup and handle pattern. Ang ganda ng ginagawa niya ngayon, guys, oh. And we might see a potential VCP over here and a breakout. So, Aslag, I'm up for it. This is a nice stock to watch. Siguro volume lang, liquidity yung problema dito. But other than that, I'm good with this. All HC, okay. Tried to reverse. All HC coming from this movement over here. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. About the monthly chart. Okay, this is a reversing stock too. So, pwede naman. Doable si All HC. Pwede. So, you might want to see a breakout, a consolidation here and a breakout. Naku po, dito, yak. Alright, Matic Pass. Tugs, Harbor. Uy, buhay pa pala to. Still good. It's just resting, I believe. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Alright, the weekly chart looks so good. I mean, this is still a potential mover. So, bantayin nyo na lang, guys, if this would continue or not. Alright. Doon na siya dito, guys. So, dito pa siya dito. Andito pa siya dito. Ngayon, doon na siya. Ayan, o. So, huwag nyo nang pansinin yan. SGP, one of the stocks that na-miss ko. But this is still a good stock to look at, I believe. So, trending siya. And look for a good consolidation and a continuation. So far, so good SGP. I really like it. DMC, it's still good as well. So, buo pa yung trend natin. PHR. Okay. PHR. Ito ba? Tama ba to? PHR. Resort. Not for now. Hindi siya yak para not for now. Alright. So may question tayo dito, guys, no? Pwede ba nating i-post yung question na yan by Ronald Los Baños. Hi, sir. How to be part of your team? May mga courses po ba? I am interested to learn po kasi. Salamat po. Alright. Now, Sir Ronald, if you don't have any broker account yet, or pangit yung brokerage account mo, you can definitely switch to the next amazing broker, the number one, 2trade Asia, right? For just 10,000 pesos, you can now open an account with us. All you need to do is click the link provided in the comment section. So if you're very new to trading, there's free courses, modules, dyan sa 2trade for level 0 to level 1 traders. All right? So all you need to do is click on the link. Conditional orders are there. Lahat ng need mo, andyan na. Okay? Mobile app, guys. Maganda yung mobile app. Have you seen the mobile app ni 2trade? Pag tinatamad akong mumangon, guys, minsan na napapadota tayo, guys, no? So, tingnan nyo yung, up, Okay, hindi makita ng hindi makita pero maganda yung mobile app niya. I really appreciate it and very handy. Now, for ZFT, tapos na po actually. We had a open course. Sana Boss Ronald. It's called Technical Intensive Program. TIP yun ah. TI pala. Technical Intensive course ng ZFT. It started last week, I think Monday. And we're done with Darva's price action. Ay, hindi pala. May second session for today, Monday. So, ayun. I will have another run, I think, next year na. So, for now, we're already closed. We're already closed. But we offer other courses, which is if you're very, very new, we have Blueprint. You can just search for our free group, Facebook group, which is Trading for Rookies, and there's free modules out there. We also have um, um, TIP, wala. The immersion program, but I think next year pa mag-open. So, there you go. I hope I was able to help you out. All right, sabi ni no, hi UBP. 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 Bank. Definitely this is a good stock to watch. Volume, we have a breakout. UBP is nice. I like it. This is tradable. So, good tayo dyan, guys. I'll go back to SSI. SSI is still good. To be quite transparent, I already bought here as my first tranche. No? Maganda siya. I like it. I still like it. The weekly chart telling me that it's just a normal pullback and there might be still a strength for this stock to go. All MAs are below prices already. Daily chart is telling me that it's still fine even though nagkakaroon tayo ng medyo mabagal-bagal. So hopefully it's gonna continue faster moving forward. No? All right. So SSI is still good. So PRMX. Okay, PRMX is interesting. I'll tell you that PRMX is interesting. We have potential breaks at the monthly here. Boom. Yeah. So if it consolidates above that level, I'd be happy to trade this. Right? See PRMX. PX. Let's go PX. Nah. Pass. This is a yuck stock. All right. All right. So my question si Kite dito, sir, do you trade most of your stocks when MAs are aligned already? Yes. The answer for that is yes. If you're gonna take a look at stocks that I'm holding right now, all stocks are below our key moving averages. So this one, ABA, look at the stocks, key moving averages, KMA, nasa baba. We have SEC beforehand, nasa baba. It's in already AOTS. We have SSI. It's already in AOTS below MAs. MAs are below prices. CTS. Let's take a look at CTS. CTS. Ayan, CTS, walang strength. Ito lang yung siguro hinahanap ko. Walang volume si CTS. So if CTS can give out big volume, like a big pocket pivot volume, that would really be a game changer for us. Sun. Nah, no. Delete this on your watch list, guys. PXP. Buhay na buhay, guys. Buhay na buhay si PXP. So let's see if there would be a potential continuation dito sa stocks. Stock na to. So guys, I think meron pa akong hindi na check. Ani. Ayan, si Ani, very good pa rin. Look at the trail, 20 MA above. And then it's trying to continue. Now, guys, on the upcoming run-up, let's say, for example, gaganda yung market the next few weeks or months. All you need to do is trade one or two stocks na mapuruhan nyo ng volume. Does not have to trade any or everything that moves. You don't need to do that. Okay, you don't need to do it. All you need to do is look at stocks that are already up because it can potentially still go up. Okay? The trend is your friend until it bends. So, kung uptrend siya, kasi minsan, kunyari sa ABA, balik tayo kay ABA. Again, this is not a hype or anything, but look at this ABA. So, people are telling, I see, ay, mataas na yan, hindi na yan, di ba? So, from here, imagine the run-up. From here to here, it's already 65%. So, sabi na, ay, mataas na yan, hindi na yan, o mag-continue, o nag-breakout. And then, it registered around 40%. And then right now, hindi na yan tutuloy kasi mataas na. And then another breakout. Diba? Registered around 9% or 10%. So you see, I always focus my trade on the uptrending stocks. Why would I settle for down the trending stocks? It does not make you any money at all. Right? Eagle. Eagle is nice. Diba? This is nice stock. Below prices. Diba? It's trying to break out here at this level. But this is an liquid stock, so this is not on in my lists. So yun lang. I haven't found any alpha other than ABA. ABA is like the alpha. Siguro when another stock moves na medyo may volume and may volatility and participation. But for now, ABA is our number one watch lists for today's session. Converge. Di ba na-check ko na to? Converge. Yuck. Alright. I'm not into bottom picking, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, ha. If you're trying to trade Converge, ang question ko, na-trade mo ba to? Kasi ako, na-trade ko to. Personally. I gained around almost a bagger for this. Kay Converge last 2021. Now, ang question ko, why would you settle on a movement like this if you can find stocks that looks like this? Diba? Oh, good thing na-remember ako. Spinek. So, Spinek, one of my watch list. I'm just waiting kung ano yung magiging result and volatility niya on September 15, next week. But if I see that accepted na yung volatility niya this week, maybe I'd pour up some tranches already. But for now, I'm basically nagta-tranche na ako dito. Onte lang talaga, guys, as in participation shares lang. And I just want to make sure that all the uncertainties are matanggal, majority of it before I get in with this stock. So you know my triggers, right? We know the triggers for this would be 1.73. So, hindi tayo nagmamadali dyan. Hindi tayo mabali. If the stock gives us a good entry, andyan tayo. So, right now, be patient enough. Relax. Okay? Relax. So, let's say you already fully allocated to this kind of market. Assuming 30, do you still create watches? Of course. Of course. I still create watch list for a potential mover in the next week, or the next month, the next year. Okay? But of course, you cannot trade it anymore. So all you need to do is just paper trade. Now, there would be times that I'll sell my stock because slow mover siya, and then I'll be transferring it to a new moving stock. So there would be times like that. So create pa rin ng watch list, look at stocks left and right, and see kung ano yung magiging galaw. All right. So just to sum up, guys, I've taught you about looking how to identify normal pullbacks, a momentum consolidation, normal pullback, a basing, okay, and a correction. All right? Basing, correction, and a crash. All right? So, hopefully, matandaan nyo yon, and you'll be able to use it moving forward. Okay? And then, of course, cross trades, of course. So, cross trades are not meant for a buy and sell signal. That's just a additional confirmation. Right? So, there's that. Tumitingin po ba kayo sa earnings ng stock? In the Philippine market, not so much. But in the US market, I look at earnings. Okay? All right. So, I think that's it. It's already 4:05. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning with us. You're the reason why we're here. All right. I'm so happy that 2trade and ZFT Tribe is doing stuff like this that is helping, I believe, a lot of Filipinos out there regarding how to trade the Philippine stock market. So good luck and God bless on this week's trading. Stay safe and have a good one, guys. This is your host, Eurylicious. Stay delicious. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung papaano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.